โอเคตอนนี้นะครับผมอยู่ที่บูธของ Sonos Libra เป็นบูธที่มีคนเยี่ยมชมมากที่สุดในงานทางด้านฝั่งของ Professional Audio บูธหนึ่งเลยทีเดียวทีนี้เนี่ยเขาก็มีตัวแบรนด์อยู่หลายๆแบรนด์นะ you can understand Thai anyway
กดใช้นิดหน่อยครับกดใช้นิดหน่อยสวัสดีครับ
โอเคตอนนี้ผมอยู่กับคุณอัลฟอนโซครับคุณอัลฟอนโซก็คือเป็นเฮดของ Sonos Libra นะครับแล้วเขาก็จะมาพาเราบูธทัวร์กันว่ามีสินค้าอะไรบ้างแล้วก็มีอะไรน่าสนใจบ้างอ่ะมาดูกันเลยครับ
So Sonos Libra company we founded 2 years ago. As you already mentioned, we specialize a lot in pro audio solutions, also acoustics because my background is in acoustics. So we try to give a full solution to our customers to make sure they achieve the best or higher grade of audio quality for any application. Doesn't matter live or installation. AUDAC is a Belgian brand. Actually, the product range is very wide. But it's really focused on high performance installations where you could go from 2-inch speaker that sounds amazing. I think you already listened to it with the SAP, all the way up to 15-inch speakers and passing a big amount of range in flash mount speakers from 2 inches ceilings that can be wall mounted with complementing subwoofers. And premium solutions on ceiling speakers as well. So they have low impedance, high performance ceiling speakers. So the approach to the solution is a little bit different than other companies. We're done with AUDAC. We have quickly CEO of AUDAC. Maybe we can, excuse me, sir. So we have a press interview. So we have AUDAC CEO. Let him introduce
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Hi.
So can you please tell me a little bit about AUDAC history or something?
Yes, of course. So AUDAC is a brand that's based in Belgium. So we're focused on installed audio sound. And it was originally created by a guy called Patrick van der Zande to doing distributionship for quite a bit of brands, where at a certain point, he got the feeling that there was a need for a different type of product on the market. And that's where we really took a big step, and AUDAC was born. So we started off building our own products. And gradually, of course, it grew to the brand it is today, and we still have that same vision. We still have that same philosophy of bringing out, quality, innovative sounding products, and that's our goal. We're a company. We're still a family-owned company, and we believe in selling solutions.
And I will explain our guest from ALLEN&HEATH. So we have Mr. Martijn Berkek. So
hello, nice to meet you.
He's a D-Live install manager.
What do you have here for installation D-Live?
We have audio equipment. No, to make it very simple. No, we're here to show our DSP solutions for audio equipment. This is the brain of our live system, which is our 128 input to 64 output DSP mixer, which will give you all the options of expansion through I/O boxes or expansions to I/O cards through Dante, Muddy, Waves, whatever. We do a 128 channel Dante card at 48 or 96K, so it gives you the option. We also show you the hardware controllers we have for installation. This is the IP8, which is a simple controller where we control the audio. You can see how reflective it is. We also have the IP1 controller. And you can see it's all hooked up together. This piece of software is new. We can build our own GUI and we can make an interface we want. So this interface we built is over here, so we can add faders and stuff in here. And for example, we can choose to have a different fader cap. And then when we upload it, we can see how quick the system is. I can simply upload it and have a different fader cap.
XILICA.
Made in Canada, very high engineering behind. So we are showcasing two models. We are showcasing XILICA FR, the new FR, and we are showcasing the QR. The QR is a quarter of a rack modular solution, DSP, where you will have just a quarter of a rack frame with the processing inside, and then you will slot in your input or output cards depending on what you want to do in your application. The FR is full rack. And it's exactly the same. Both come with Dante input outputs and sampling frequencies up to 96 kilohertz, which it makes a very good solution even for studios where they need good preamps, can be used as well. Then we are showcasing here XILICA Designer, where we could basically drag and drop any of the available processors on the product range and start the programming. It's a total modular and open architecture DSP programming.
Fully customizable.
Absolutely.
So you can make anything from mixer, speaker processor, everything from XILICA.
I
Right?
would say it's like it depends on your imagination, and as much creative you are, that's the limitation basically, your creativity. Start with the little boys, so brand new IS7P. I from install, S from S series range from ADAMSON, 7 because we have a 7-inch speaker from Kevlar, designed and made in Canada and also in ADAMSON factory. P from Point Source because we also had the line array version of this guy. It's pretty loud to be a 7. They have different configurations, so in 7x40 with rotatable horns. As you can see, the dispersion pattern is coming here for the high frequencies, and it comes also in 110x50. It's an O2 Arena, a Drake concert with E15, S10 underhand, E119 subs, and this is an acoustic panel. That and that has acoustic properties, but
So
we can print it.
Print it on the acoustic panel.
It has coconut fiber behind, so it's eco-friendly as well. It doesn't have all the bad things from the rock wool. S10, dual 10, 4 inches output, two-way active. When I mean active is one amplifier channel for the 10, one amplifier channel for the high frequencies, 141 dB, 24 kilo.
What makes ADAMSON so special?
I think it's the approach. First of all, Brock Adamson, which is the owner of the company, is still the owner of the company. I would say that will define the whole character of the brand. They manufacture absolutely every single component in-house. And from the component, then they will build the box. In this way, there's no compromise on the performance of the woofer. They will always go to the maximum performance. Kevlar will add that transparency, and when the people say, oh, the loudspeaker sounds good, the loudspeaker shouldn't sound good. The loudspeaker should reproduce what you put it on the input, should just reproduce it louder. Sounds not distorted and sounds louder, and if you have done a good design, it will sound uniform depending on your coverage area.